Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular options in the market, the MSI MAG A550BN and the Corsair RM750e. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and features to help you make an informed decision for your next build. Let's get started. When it comes to power output, the Corsair RM750e takes the lead with a robust 750 watts compared to the MSI MAG A550BN's 550 watts. This higher wattage allows for more demanding components and future upgrades, making the RM750e a better choice for high-performance systems. In terms of efficiency, the Corsair RM750e shines with its 80+ Gold certification, ensuring better energy efficiency and lower power consumption compared to the MSI MAG A550BN's 80+ Bronze rating. This means the RM750e not only saves you money on electricity, but also contributes to a more eco-friendly build. Another significant difference is in their design. The Corsair RM750e is fully modular, allowing for better cable management and customization, while the MSI MAG A550BN features a non-modular design, which can lead to a cluttered build. This modularity is especially beneficial for users who prioritize aesthetics and airflow in their systems. In conclusion, both power supplies have their strengths. The MSI MAG A550BN is a great budget option for basic builds, while the Corsair RM750e is ideal for high-performance systems that require more power and efficiency. Make sure to consider your needs and budget when making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.